In the Ultraman TV series and Shin Ultraman movie, Neronga is able to turn invisible, so you'll have to source some invisible ingredients for today's cocktail. Today we're making an invisible daiquiri to go with the invisible Neronga figure. For this drink you'll need some invisible ice, invisible rum, invisible lime juice, and invisible simple syrup. Neronga is a classic kaiju, so we're just going to go with a classic daiquiri recipe here. If you only have the visible ingredients, that should work just fine. Fill your glass with the invisible ice, pour in 1 ounce of that invisible rum, a ½ ounce of that invisible lime juice, then a ½ ounce of that invisible simple syrup. Stir it all up and enjoy. Cheers! This Shin Neronga figure is part of the Movie Monster series line, and I believe it was a Bandai Premium Web Store exclusive. I don't recall the original retail price, but it was available at multiple import websites in the US for about 75 bucks, and then Big Bad Toy Store marked this down to 36 at one point. It comes in a long, skinny box, since this is a long figure. When you take it out of the box, the first thing you might notice is that it also has a tag. The front of the tag has a promotional image of the invisible Neronga from the film, and you have some invisible character stats on the inside, which is a nice touch. For articulation, while the head and tail are separate parts, they're glued in. So the only articulation we get is in the legs, full rotation there, and you could get full rotation with the arms if the knees weren't in the way. Now I know that Bandai has been skimping on their paint jobs lately, but this absolutely makes up for it. The entire figure, top to bottom, is covered in invisible paint. They usually add some extra paint apps for their premium exclusives, and this is no exception. The attention to detail on the claws and toes, and how the paint apps continue all the way down the tail is a great sign for things to come. I'm excited to see what other Bandai Premium Movie Monster series figures we're going to get in the future. In the meantime, good luck on your hunt, thanks for watching on this April Fool's Day, and please drink responsibly.